How to remove Roblox games from Continue. In this video, let's find out if you can remove Roblox games from Continue. First of all, launch open any web browser and head over to roblox.com, or you can open up the Roblox app. Now, if you want to remove Roblox games from Continue, as you can see, I have two games over here on the Continue section, then you want to look for any delete or remove options. Now, as you can see, no matter how much you try, there's no option to remove this game from the Continue section. That is because Roblox currently has no feature that allows users to delete or hide games from their Continue list. Since no such features exist, you must accept the default Continue section as it is. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.